Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore the Andar Pilot wallet. Now both of these I got from the mystery sale that they had going on two separate occasions. And so this was the first one I got. This was the second one. I've already restored this one so you can kind of see how it is. But I decided to show you the more banged up one because, you know, why not? That's how you're supposed to see if a product works or not, right? You want to see the more worse condition versus the one that had just the one ding that you want to, you know, fix up. So showing you here, this one is pretty scratched up, as you can see. And most of this is just kind of like finger impressions like this. And I know I just ruined it now by scratching that one too, but you can see on both sides, they are pretty scratched up like that. This one had a little bit at the top, but it's all buffed away and you can't really tell. So we're gonna put that one to the side for now. And we're gonna look at this one to restore. Now you're gonna want a towel. You're also going to want to clean the surface of your wallet. So a quick like damp cloth, then you dry it off. And then you want the Andar Leather Cream, which is restores, waterproofs, and protects. And it has beeswax, so it's going to be very helpful, and it's going to deep condition your leather. Not just this wallet, but like any other leather product that you have, you can definitely use this. This is the 1 ounce. Okay, so I just did something that I probably shouldn't have, but I did. This is the same brown one. The only difference is I just applied like a little bit of, like I kind of spot cleaned it. Well, the whole thing I did. I took a damp cloth with a little bit of water and a little bit of soap, and I placed it on here. And now like all those scratches are gone, and that's okay by me, because we are going to go ahead and buff it out again. So again, this is gonna get used. Your finger is going to cause it to do these things. There are times that you're gonna be placing it like into your wallet. See, putting it in my wallet, pulling it back out, and you're probably going to scratch it up a bit with your nails, or maybe your keys might get to it, whatever it may be. So you can see some of that is there. Over time, it is going to get roughed up. We're going to dip in to the product like this. So this is going to help protect it, even if it doesn't necessarily remove what you wanted or whatever, it is getting protected. So that is the good news. So you can see that some of the dye does come off with it, but it is what it is. That's gonna happen. So we're doing small little circles to buff it in. If we need to tap in again, that's fine. And then again, we are making small little circles to buff it out. Make sure you get in between the seams as well, like so. Flip it around, do it to the other side. Again, we're gonna just weatherproof this all around, make it look nice and neat and good looking. Here's both of them now, conditioned. And you may still see, like if it's like a deep kind of scratch, you might still see that, but at least the buffing of it with the leather cream makes it just appear a little less problematic. So now it looks kind of like brand new. Again, if it scratches something, you probably will get that scratch again, but if it's a superficial scratch, it'll be buffed right out. Again, you may see a little indentation of it if it's deeper, but for the most part, like look how nice that looks now. Like if you see the before and after of both, like before I did all the like the washing and the cleaning and everything, it was pretty rough. But yeah, so these are now back to a good condition. Oh, see, there it goes. You gotta be very careful, but once it's done, again, you can just buff it out with the leather cream and you're good to go. So definitely pick up these pretty wallets. These are the guys' wallets, they're called the Pilot. And then the Denner one, which is my favorite, is this one with the wristlet. This one is a brand new one. Mine is very loved. You will see the difference right now. Mine is extremely loved, and this is the same like siding of it like that. I'm gonna try to do restoration on mine just because it's kind of loosened up already as it is. And I don't want to, I kind of want to restore it just to see how it goes. But if all else fails, I do have an additional one here to play with, so that'll be nice. That is it for this video of restoration. If you like this cream, I do have it linked below. I do get a small commission from it if you were to purchase it. Same thing with any of the wallets, anything through Andar, but I love their products. They're very nice. They have the nice leather, very practical. Thank you, and we'll see you in another video.